In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refundable deposit in QuickBooks Online. If you've paid a deposit to a vendor and expect to get that money back later, it's important to record it properly. You don't want it showing up as an expense if it's actually still your money and just being held temporarily. The best way to handle this in QuickBooks Online is to track it as an asset first, then clear it out when the refund comes back. I'll walk you through the full process slowly so it's easy to follow on screen. To begin, we need to create an asset account for the deposit. In QuickBooks Online, go to your Chart of Accounts and click New. For the account type, choose Other Current Assets. This is the right category because a refundable vendor deposit is something you expect to recover, usually within the near future. Then enter the name Vendor Deposits and save the account. Once that's done, give QuickBooks a moment to load before moving on. Next, you'll record the actual payment of the deposit. Click the New button and select Expense. Choose the vendor you paid. In the Category Details section, instead of assigning this to a normal expense account, select the Vendor Deposits account you just created. Then enter the deposit amount and save the transaction. This is a really important part because posting it to vendor deposits keeps the payment on your balance sheet instead of reducing your profit as an expense. After saving, pause for a moment and let the system catch up before continuing. Once the vendor returns the money, the final step is to record the refund. Click New again, then choose Bank Deposit. On this screen, use the Vendor Deposits account in the Account field, then enter the amount of the refund and save it. What this does is reduce the asset balance because the deposit is no longer being held by the vendor and the funds are now back in your bank account. If everything was entered correctly, the Vendor Deposits account should return to zero once the full deposit has been refunded. As a quick tip, always make sure the amount refunded matches what was originally recorded, especially if you're reviewing your books later or trying to reconcile the account. Taking a few extra seconds to confirm the account name and amount can help prevent cleanup work later. That's how to record a refundable deposit in QuickBooks Online, from the initial payment all the way through the refund.